Welcome to the crypto nest. So Ocean Protocol, as we can see, we did do 5 waves, 1, 2, a very long 3, a 4 and a 5th to complete this bigger wave in blue 1. After that, alright, let me put okay, let's see the indicators first. So we can see that we were the RSI was very in decline for a long period of time, and now it's kind of bouncing back. MACD also, it's now in positive momentum. Let's see the 4 hours. So we can see that maybe we started a new movement, and the MACD also now it's maybe reversing. Is it going to flip soon into the negative momentum? That's also a possibility. And on the daily chart, you can see we are having a drastic plunge in the RSI, and MACD also were quite negative for a moment. Okay, so now if I scale out a little bit, just to recap, so we did this bigger wave 1 in blue, we did the A, B, and very long C into a diagonal. We actually, if I zoom in, we actually reach this ADIO. Let me move a little bit. So we actually bend down, reach this ADIO retracement for a wave 2 of the 0.618 at 29 cents 16, and after we start to react to that level. Okay, so bigger screen is going to be easier. So now what can I say? I can see a 1, a 2, this was the 3rd. I believe this is the, yes, this is the, I did the extension of the wave 1, so from the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2, bring us to this blue line, 1.618 level at 44 cents, 43.60. You can see that now we reacted to this price. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So now is this the, okay, so I made the Fibonacci retracement from the beginning of the wave 3 to the end of the wave 3. Let me just see if it didn't move. No, it didn't. So the ideal retracement for this wave 4, well, ideally would be the 0.382 at 40 cents. We actually went lower to the 0.5. We wick out quickly, but it's still okay. As you can see now, we are not done. So if this is the end of the wave 3, well, let me see now. Maybe this is just an A, a B, and now we're doing the C. I don't know. Could be. We need to see. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe this was the, well, I cannot see honestly a 5 wave down, and that would be micro counting anyway. So I can maybe say that this was the end of the wave 3. We did an A, B, C for the wave A. And now can I do something like this is A, B, C for the wave B. And now we're doing this wave C. So let me put it here. This possibility that I said. So this was the A. This was the A, B, C into the wave B. And now we're going to see the wave C. Okay, so this is still very possible. Alright, so if this is the end of the bigger wave 2, it means this is the beginning of the wave 3 in blue, the bigger wave. And so now, what can we say? Either this at the end was just a truncated wave 5, which I don't believe. And so I'm going to keep it here. I believe personally that we're still doing this wave 4, because anyway the wave 3 was very kind of short, so it would be normal to have a larger wave 4. So I'm going to put my wave 4 maybe here, and maybe we're just going to make an A, B, C like so. Alright, and now what else can I look for? So I can take the length, can I? Not really yet. No, I really need to wait now, because we don't have this fifth wave. I was thinking maybe we can have an idea where the wave 4 should react, but yeah, we cannot for the moment. And let me see now. Yeah, that's so as you can see now, we are very acting strongly to this in this hour. Can I maybe, if I do micro counting, maybe this was the one, this is the 2, and now we're doing the stronger 3, then we a 4th and a 5th, and yeah, we can just do a flat correction, which is very possible. We're not doing overshooting wave B, and then we're just finishing this wave C to finally do this 5th wave. So honestly, for the moment, I cannot project anything for the moment, because we need to wait that the 4th wave is completed, and after that maybe we can see how far this 5th wave can go. And if let me see though, I can just make a projection, since it, oh no, I already did it here, did I? So we should expect maybe the wave 5 to reach the 2.618 at let's say 50 cents. Let's see if this work out. So now in validation points, once again, if we get you know, lower than I would say 37 cents 5, and for sure in validation point, since wave 4 cannot overlap with the wave 1, so if we get to 35 cents 31, this is not a wave 4 anymore, it's something else, and should be something, yeah, more corrective, I would say. Okay, so this is all for Ocean. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.